Have you ever wanted to change text in Python without typing everything again? Let me show you a few cool tricks. Imagine you have the text, "Hello Python." First, what if you want every letter to become uppercase? Python can do that instantly. Now imagine someone types, "Hello Python," but you want it to look professional. You can turn the first letter of every word into uppercase with just one line. Now here's another useful trick. What if you want to know how many characters are inside your text? No counting. Python tells you instantly. And what if your text says, "Hello Python," but you want it to say, "Hello World"? You don't have to rewrite it. Python can replace one word with another, automatically. These might look like small tricks, but you'll use them almost every day. Whether you're building websites, games, or desktop applications, learning how to work with strings will save you a lot of time. In the next lesson, we'll build a password generator using everything you've learned so far.